So let's proceed to activity 4, upload a web page in EC2. So dito na papasok yung magsi-CMD tayo. So unahin na natin. So let's start. So wait. Open CMD. And let's type SSH I, then yung create pem natin kanina, which is here, copy as path natin, and then let's paste here and EC2 user at and the IP address of our user one. So, and click paste here and click enter. Oh, SSH. No, SS. Okay, mali. SSH. Not SHH. I. Copy na natin to and paste here and let's enter. Let's type yes. That's it. And next is type aus version, click enter, and let's type who am I, let's enter, ping google.com, enter, and Control C, and next house, nakalimutan ko na house IAM this users, and then let's house configure. Ay, pwede ba ito? Pwede naman house configure, and then the house access IDs, yun yung sa ating CLI kanina nating ginawa doon sa ating main account here. Pero lang, medyo lakihan natin. Ito ba si user man? Here. Nagawa tayo ulit. Kasi pala yung dapat kanina, no? Yan. Here. Dito natin i-paste. Ayan mo camera ko kasi. Ito. Enter and the access key. This. And paste here. Enter. Our region name. Ginamit natin ang the soul. So, AP, wait lang. AP, may Giant, Nortest, kas Jaba, Nortest, basta ba, Jai? Nortest, A2, enter. Then, let's type JSON and enter, and the last is the house. I am list users. That's it. That's for activity or upload the web page in the EC2. So, hindi pa pala tatapos dyan. So, let's try to the IP address for user 1. Where's my... Yan. Now, user 1 and try for user 2. Huwag dito. Dito tayo. Hindi niya pwede ata. Nandun sa incognito. Hello user 2. And the last one is the user 3. That's it for activity number 4.